Hey guys, Tom Arbuthnot. We're at Ignite 2017 and I'm walking the floor. I'm here with my friend Jeremy. Jeremy, do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure, yeah, I'm Jeremy Thake. I'm the VP at Hyperfish, based in Seattle, or Redmond to be specific, but yeah.
Cool. And so, Jeremy, you guys are all over with social media and stuff, but for those that don't know, what does Hyperfish do?
So Hyperfish essentially brings your corporate directory to life, and the way that we do that is we complete your directory. Most companies we talk to don't have job titles, don't have photos, don't have mobile phone numbers in there. And basically we help provide a self-service mechanism to get all that up to date and complete.
Yeah. And so, like, that's been a problem for forever, basically. We work with lots of big customers, we see that. So how are you solving that problem differently? Because typically it's like the HR send an email, everybody ignores the email, and we all move on with our lives.
Yeah, sure. So what we do is we actually monitor your Azure Active Directory or your on-premises AD. And the company sets up rules in our product to say what's required, if there's any rules around mobile formatting, or if there's any particular choices that should be for job title. So people can't put in, I'm the CEO, like they can only pick from legit job titles. And then what we do is once we know if a user's missing an attribute or if the attribute's incorrect, we reach out to them via Skype or should we call Microsoft Teams now. We'll reach out via Microsoft Teams or email and actually get them to prompt them to update that attribute.
And you guys are leveraging the bot framework stuff?
Yeah, and what we do as well is we have an approval thing too. So if your HR team's worried about end users doing self-service updates to their manager field and so forth, HR can actually approve the changes before they get written back to. Yeah.
Yeah, because I can imagine HR being quite careful about that stuff.
And then we also provide a scheduled import. So if you've got data in Workday or PeopleSoft or SAP, we can actually overnight just pull that in and update AD and all the other places that Office 365 uses, like Microsoft Teams has a different photo and Yammer has a different photo and profile information in Yammer is different to what's in Exchange. And we kind of fix all that stuff.
Cool.
Yeah.
And you, so how would people get started with this? Is there any way they can get started with it straight away?
Yeah, sure. Something we actually launched here at Ignite this week is that we provide a Hyperfish Lite product. And that allows you in 3 clicks. It takes literally a minute and a half. It'll go and give you a full dashboard report of how complete your profiles are for all the different attributes. And also we allow you to do photo updates for free. So you can add pilot users to just test the product, and it will contact those pilot users and you'll see them updating, and you can even have approval. And then you can go into our run mode, which will then go and contact everybody that doesn't have a photo. And then most of our customers are seeing within 2 weeks or so that 100% photos across the entire Office 365 tenant.
It's awesome having that pilot mode, because that's how you want to start, isn't it?
Yeah, we know IT guys don't just immediately trust me, even though I'm a very trustworthy guy.
Well,
and so, you know, being able to kind of kick the tires with a bunch of people before you kind of go, let the bot go and reach out to everyone is the way we kind of balance it.
Nice. So if people want to find out more, where do they head to?
Just hyperfish.com/try. That sign up, again, it's a minute and a half, it's a few clicks and you're in. A nice part for IT admins is we start the product off in a consenting at read-only mode, so you can get the dashboard without us even having any write permissions. And then when you're happy you can see our product, you can play with it. But then if you want to see a photo actually being written back to all the places in Office 365, you have to go in and just flick the switch to provide us with that consent.
Like bigger customers, like if they really want to be secure, they could obviously spin up a test tenant, presumably.
Absolutely, yeah. We're seeing a lot of test tenants right now as people are kicking the tires on it. But I mean, we've got some tenants in there with 70,000 users, and
real scale, then.
They're starting at like 20% of their people have photos. So
that sounds high compared to some people I see.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks for your time, Jeremy.
No, you're welcome. Thanks very much, Tom.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks, guys.